A Pinellas County senator is taking aim at what he calls a chaotic situation at public schools across the state. A new law allows charter schools classified as schools of hope to move into lower capacity public school buildings at the district's expense. So as of this week, Schools of Hope can now begin notifying schools of their intent to co-locate on certain campuses.
Yeah, and as Fox 13's Aaron Mesmer reports, State Senator Darrell Roussan wants to put a stop to the new law.
Wilkinson Elementary School parents in Sarasota worried for weeks about this.
Sarasota School Board was trying to be proactive in saying that they're going to close Wilkinson.
The plan was to spread the students out to nearby schools to try to prevent Schools of Hope charter schools from staking claim to space on those undercapacity campuses. Last month, district leaders chose instead to convert Wilkinson to a K-8 school. But Jody Osceola says this situation is part of the chaos caused by state lawmakers who expanded the rights for Schools of Hope.
Our children need to be put first, not these out-of-state billionaires coming in to run a corporate charter school.
Under a new rule adopted in September by the Florida Board of Education, charter school operators classified as Schools of Hope can move into schools with low enrollment for free, and the districts would have to foot the bill. Sarasota County School Board member Liz Barker was outraged, especially after Miami-based charter company Matter Academy sent letters to dozens of schools across the state attempting to co-occupy classroom space.
That is a hostile takeover of community-owned property.
Pinellas County State Senator Darrell Roussan says he heard the concerns.
It created a firestorm, and we've been hearing from people all across the state.
Roussan is proposing a bill that would reverse the new law and prevent charter companies from co-locating in public schools.
I'm not against charter schools. I'm not against choice. I am against utilizing space at the expense of others.
Governor DeSantis, however, has championed Schools of Hope as a great option for students at low-performing schools. And the State Board of Ed unanimously approved the new guidelines.
Schools of Hope wouldn't be necessary if our public school system had done its job.
Barker fired back at those accusations. She says the law is intentionally vague to give charter operators easier access to taxpayer money, the same operators who in some cases donated millions to politicians and lobbied for the new law.
This takeover really has nothing to do with academic outcomes. It doesn't have to do with school choice. It has to do with profit and control.
Roussan agrees, but for now, it's unclear whether the proposal will have bipartisan support. In Tampa, Aaron Mesmer, Fox 13 News.